which was printed in the Philippines Herald on August 16, 1941. I Am a Filipino is a famous essay written by Carlos B. Romulo. It expresses a deep sense of patriotism and pride in being Filipino. Romulo emphasizes the rich history, culture, and heritage of the Philippines, highlighting the struggles and triumphs of the Filipino people throughout history.
I Am a Filipino by Carlos Peña Romulo Sr. I am a Filipino, inheritor of a glorious past, hostage to the uncertain future. As such, I must prove equal to a twofold task: the task of meeting my responsibility to the past, and the task of performing my obligations to the future. I sprung from a hardy race, child many generations removed of ancient Malayan pioneers. Across the centuries, the memory comes rushing back to me of a brown-skinned man putting out to sea in the ships that were as frail as their hearts were stout. Over the sea I see them come, borne upon the billowing wave and the whistling wind, carried upon the mighty swell of hope, hope in the free abundance of new land that was to be their home and their children's forever. This is the land they sought and found, every inch of shore that their eyes first set upon, every hill and mountain that beacon to them with their green and purple invitation, every mile of rolling plain that their view encompassed, every river and lake that promised a plentiful living and the fruitfulness of commerce, is a hallowed spot to me. By the strength of their hearts and hands,
By every right of law,
human and divine, this land and all the pertinences thereof, the black and fertile soil, the seas and lakes and rivers teeming with fish, the forests with their inexhaustible wealth in wildlife and timber, the mountains with their bowels swollen with minerals. The whole of this rich and happy land has been, for centuries without number, the land of my fathers. This land I receive in trust from them.